Facebook. Because this is the lesson to Sangkay Janjan. Sangkay Janjan, ha? Alright, you know what, Sangkay Janjan? I just wanna tell you the whole story was, you need to stop making fake account of Mang Rodelio Daguman. You're the one who made fake account of Mrs. Annie Gill, eh? And David Gill's parents asked me, is it the one who made the fake account of Mrs. Annie Gill? It's not Roylan Marlang, it's not Cedric Mariano, it's not Kuya Dan Mardayaw, it's not really me, or Tera Francisco. The real problem anyway, it was you, Sangkay Janjan. I know you are a troll, I know you are a BBM troll. You are really a attack dog. If I'm saying to you, when you made fake account, I never make fake account. Oh, that time I remember what I did to Teacher Gio Malana and Teacher Vincent Ramos. I did it to Teacher Vincent Ramos last 2021 during pandemic. Last year, 2024, I attacked Teacher Gio Malana. Last year, January 2024. And now, I never make fake account. Oh, this is all my fault. Oh, when I talk to Kuya Bear, that I promised to him I will never make fake account on Facebook. Oh, for Sangkay Janjan, making fake account of Mang Rodelio Daguman, that is a cyberbullying. Have mercy to that person. He works very hard in Muntinlupa City Hall. He's very working hard. He's not doing anything to you. Oh, me, like I said before, you should learn about your lesson, okay? Because I know you should learn. I know I'm the one who make fake account of on Facebook is the time is Teacher Jessa Fernandez. Oh, who's the fault anyway? Me. Oh. And now you see, Sangkay Janjan, you should learn about your fault. You should learn about your consequence. I know what you are creating at, just like I said, making fake account on Facebook, that will cause a cyberbullying. Just like I said, cyberbullying. Oh. And like I said before, when I was told by Roylan Marlang, and even my Russian friend, Denis SBO, it's in Russian, that means do not make fake account, or what does Roylan Marlang said in Tagalog? He said that wag kang gumawa ng fake account sa Facebook. O Sangkay Janjan, ha, that Marcos loyalist wannabe, you need to stop making fake account of Mang Rodelio Daguman. I know you are very a troll. What if you try to make fake account of, for example, Joseph Maspinas, and you're gonna harass him in his Facebook? His uncle will sue against you. And here's the lesson to you, Sangkay Janjan. Do not make fake account to anyone who are anti-Marcos. People there are pro-Duterte. They are anti-Marcos. Just like I said, they have freedom of expression. Like Kuya Bear said, they have freedom of expression. They have their own freedom of expression. Just like that. I know me, this is all my fault for what I did to Larry Chuanico. I made the fake account on Facebook and I attacked the church and I promote terrorism, like for example ISIS. And who's the fault anyway? Me. I allegedly, just like I said, kasalanan ko talaga, ginawa kong fake account ni Larry Chuanico. So, this is all my fault. You know, for me, this is a lesson to Sangkay Janjan and other Marcos loyalists such as Kuya Copio and Teacher May Tiburcio. Don't be such all of you are bullies. Don't be such as manipulative, cyberbullying. It is not really good. For example, Sangkay Janjan, if you bully Teacher Marisa, if she's an anti-Marcos, because you know Teacher Marisa Conche, she was my teacher in CDIFI in 2007, before I was with Teacher Jessa. Would you ever harass her, the former friend of Teacher May, my arch enemy? You should not harass Teacher Marisa. Not even Teacher Marisa. Do not harass anyone who are anti-Marcos. They have their own freedom of expression. Me, for what I did to Eskel Penumbra, that was the boyfriend of Teacher Kel, that was her current husband. I know, I apologize. I'm the one who made fake account on Facebook. And I am also a Marcos loyalist since 2014 until 2025. When the time of Rodrigo Duterte was arrested by ICC and he was bringing him in The Hague, and I know I left the Marcos loyalist, and I don't want to be a Marcos loyalist. I don't want to get any trouble. When I apologized to Teacher Kel's husband, Eskel Penumbra, even Teacher Kel, even Teacher Jessa Fernandez, including even I apologize to Wawel Romero, including Best Pills, Arnel Guerrera Castillo. I allegedly I'm the one who make the fake account on Facebook. And even for Teacher Gio Malana, Teacher Vincent Ramos, I apologize sincerely that I made the fake account on Facebook, and that is my consequence. So for Sangkay Janjan, you need to show your consequence. You need to stop making fake account on Facebook. Don't be such a troll. Don't be compared to troll like Kuya Copio and also Teacher May Tiburcio, even Paula Colin Nunez, who were also a troll. Don't be such a troll. Sangkay Janjan. And even Paulo Cruzada. You remember Paulo Cruzada? He trolled Joseph Maspinas. Even Jima Casandil, he's also a troll. Don't be compared to them, Sangkay Janjan. If I say to you, Sangkay Janjan, don't be such a troll, just like Kuya Copio, Teacher May Tiburcio, Paulo Cruzada, and Jima Casandil. You're bullying anyone who were anti-Marcos, who were pro-Duterte, and they have their own freedom of expression. You know that, Sangkay Janjan, here's the lesson to you. That's why you need to learn your lesson. If someone who are going to sue against you, if people are saying to you, you are really a troll, you might end up in the prison. You will be in prison, Sangkay Janjan. Just like me, I never do that again in the first place. When I was told by Roylan Mardang and even my Russian friend Dennis SVO from TikTok Live and also from Messenger. Even I was told by Denzel Joshua as well in Messenger, it has to stop making fake account on Facebook. That's the lesson to Sangkay Janjan.